Hi everyone, it's Erin Reed for Grafix, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mixed media ATC card set using the Artist Design Series shrink film. This film is amazing and beautiful. It can be hand cut, just like I'm doing here. You can also punch it. You can use your electronic cutters. There's so many fun things you can do with this. Today I'm using the shrink film that is by the designer ART by Marlene, and each of the Artist Series packs comes with 12 sheets per pack. So links are going to be down below where you can find out all the amazing designs that are on there. The sheet that I'm cutting out right now is called the Home Collection because it's a whole series of little houses. I like to start out first by cutting out my image and then coloring it in because you can color these. There are a couple other designers that also have some collections such as Julie Fayfen Balzar and Gina Kim. So again, make sure you check below for all the links on where you can see all their beautiful designs. So now that I've cut out all of my houses, I'm going to color them in. Any alcohol-based marker will be beautiful to color in. Keep in mind the color will intensify. So if you start with a darker color, it's going to get even brighter and more tone to it. It is super simple to color these in. You just kind of come in and you just color them. You can't get any more difficult than that. So I'm going to go ahead and color all of these in. So now you have all three colored. I have colored all three. It is time to heat set them. Now there's different ways that you can do them. You can do them in the toaster oven, the regular oven, or also with your heat guns. Now when you heat set these and you shrink them down, they shrink down to be 20% of the original. Now sometimes they'll warp and they'll bend, and I find that the larger the object, the harder it is to use with your heat gun, and the easier it is to pop into your oven. So it's very simple to pop in your oven. 350 degrees, I have found that my oven works for about 2 minutes, and it is wonderful. So we completed the bases of the ATCs, lots of mixed media layers with stencils and with some mists, cut out some tags, added a border, add some more mist, and then wrapped it all in twine. I've then taken, as you can see in this last one, I've taken the houses and we are going to glue them down just using a good quality glue to one side, right above where the tags are layered. So I've already cut out one of these other words, which is called Believe, and this is the script designer series from ART by Marlene, and I'm going to cut out two other words. I think I'm going to cut out art and I'm going to cut out hope. Now for these ones I'm going to leave them plain. You do not have to color them. You can shrink them exactly the color that you have, and the beautiful thing is you don't have to perfectly cut them when you're shrinking them. For this round I'm going to use the heat gun, which is super simple. I feel like it works really well with smaller objects. So all you have to do is heat it. I like to use kind of like a little thing because it tends to blow around. You could use the end of your scissors and just start heating it up. Take a piece of cardboard, just press it right on top to kind of flatten it out. Careful touching it because it is going to be hot. So I went ahead and changed my last word. Instead of hope, I did create. It just fit better and it looked better with the project. So all you have to do now is take a little bit of glue, put it on the back side of your little piece. And if you wanted to color these, you are more than welcome to do so. I just chose to leave them white because they help pop off the background of all that mixed media that I put on the back side. Thank you so much for joining me for my mixed media ATCs using Grafix shrink film in the designer series. There are so many different varieties of designs that you can get. Check below for all the links, and thanks so much for stopping by. Bye-bye.